Welcome to our comprehensive guide on stress relief techniques. In today's fast-paced world, stress has become a common companion in our daily lives, impacting our physical health, mental well-being, and overall quality of life. But fear not, as we embark on a journey to explore a variety of simple yet effective techniques designed to help you manage and alleviate stress. From deep breathing exercises and mindfulness meditation to yoga, progressive muscle relaxation, and journaling, we'll delve into a range of strategies aimed at promoting relaxation, reducing tension, and fostering a sense of calm amidst life's challenges. Join us as we discover practical tools and practices to help you find peace and tranquility in the midst of stress. Number 1. Deep breathing. At number 1, we have deep breathing, a fundamental stress relief technique. Deep breathing involves taking slow, deep breaths to activate the body's relaxation response. Start by finding a comfortable position and inhaling deeply through your nose, allowing your abdomen to expand fully. Then, exhale slowly and completely through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress with each breath. Repeat this process several times, focusing on the sensation of your breath as it enters and leaves your body. Deep breathing can help lower cortisol levels, reduce heart rate, and promote a sense of calm and relaxation, making it an invaluable tool for managing stress in your daily life. Number 2. Mindfulness meditation. At number 2, we have mindfulness meditation, a powerful practice for alleviating stress. Mindfulness meditation involves bringing your attention to the present moment without judgment. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and focus on your breath or a specific sensation in your body. Notice any thoughts, feelings, or sensations that arise, allowing them to come and go without attachment. With regular practice, mindfulness meditation can help reduce stress, anxiety, and rumination, while promoting a greater sense of peace and well-being. It cultivates awareness, acceptance, and compassion towards oneself and others, empowering individuals to navigate life's challenges with greater resilience and clarity. Number 3. Yoga. At number 3, we have yoga, a holistic practice that offers numerous benefits for stress relief. Yoga combines physical postures, mindful breathing, and meditation to promote relaxation and balance in the body and mind. Begin by finding a quiet space and selecting a few yoga poses that feel comfortable for you. As you move through each posture, focus on your breath, allowing it to guide your movements and deepen your stretches. Yoga helps release tension stored in the body, improves flexibility, and enhances overall well-being. Additionally, the emphasis on mindfulness and presence in yoga fosters a sense of calm and inner peace. Regular practice of yoga can also reduce levels of the stress hormone cortisol, improve mood, and promote better sleep. Whether you're a beginner or experienced practitioner, integrating yoga into your routine can be a powerful tool for managing stress and enhancing your overall quality of life. Number 4. Progressive muscle relaxation. At number 4, we have progressive muscle relaxation, a technique aimed at reducing physical tension and promoting relaxation. Begin by finding a comfortable position and taking a few deep breaths to center yourself. Then systematically tense and relax different muscle groups in your body, starting from your toes and working your way up to your head. As you tense each muscle group for a few seconds, focus on the sensation of tension, then release the tension as you exhale and allow the muscles to relax completely. Progressive muscle relaxation helps increase body awareness, reduce muscle tension, and alleviate symptoms of stress and anxiety. With regular practice, it can also improve sleep quality, decrease headaches and muscle pain, and enhance overall feelings of relaxation and well-being. Incorporate progressive muscle relaxation into your daily routine to unwind from stress and restore balance to your body and mind. Number 5. Journaling. At number 5, we have journaling, a therapeutic practice that offers a unique avenue for stress relief and self-expression. Begin by setting aside a few minutes each day to sit down with a notebook or journal. Start writing freely without judgment or censorship about your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Use journaling as an opportunity to explore your emotions, process challenges, and reflect on your day. You can also use prompts or guided exercises to help stimulate your writing and uncover deeper insights. Journaling allows you to gain clarity, organize your thoughts, and gain perspective on stressful situations. Additionally, it provides a safe space to express yourself honestly and authentically without fear of judgment. By putting your thoughts on paper, you can release pent-up emotions, reduce anxiety, and gain a sense of control over your life. Moreover, reviewing past journal entries can offer valuable insights into patterns, triggers, and coping mechanisms, empowering you to make positive changes and cultivate resilience in the face of stress. Whether you prefer to write in the morning before bed or whenever inspiration strikes, journaling is a flexible and accessible tool for managing stress and enhancing well-being. As we conclude our exploration of stress relief techniques, remember that managing stress is essential for maintaining overall well-being. By incorporating deep breathing, mindfulness meditation, yoga, progressive muscle relaxation, and journaling into your daily routine, you can cultivate a sense of calm and resilience in the face of life's challenges. Prioritize self-care, listen to your body, and remember that small, consistent efforts can make a significant difference in your stress levels and overall quality of life. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, join our community by subscribing, liking, and following us. See you in the next video.